Question says, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle such that AB is equal to AC and the length of base BC is 8 centimeter. Okay, so let's just draw the triangle first. So it's an isosceles triangle. It's an isosceles triangle, right? With AB is equal to AC. So I can write these vertices as ABC, right? These two sides are equal. Now, now it is given that this length of this base is 8 centimeters. This is given as 8 centimeters. Now, point O is the midpoint of side BC. It is given that point O is the midpoint, right? And in an isosceles triangle, I know if I join the this vertex A with the midpoint of opposite sides, then it is a perpendicular, correct? Or the perpendicular dropped from this vertex A to the opposite side in an isosceles triangle bisects this line, correct? So in any case, A and O will be a perpendicular bisector of this line BC, correct? So this length OB is 4. Also, this length OC is 4. Now what is given? Point P is a point on side AC. ये जो साइड AC है इस पे एक पॉइंट दिया हुआ है P, such that A, P and C lie on the same line and length of OP is given as 4, correct? So there is this point P which is on the line AC, correct? And the length of this point is also 4. So I'm joining OP. This is O and this is point P, right? And the length of this side is also 4, right? We have to find the value of angle BPC, that is this B, this P and C. Let's just join these 3 points. If I join this B and P, I get this and C, right? We have to find this angle. Now, listen carefully. Listen carefully. We have to solve this question by the smartest approach, correct? Let's just take this point O, right? The length of OC is 4, length of OP is 4, and length of OB is 4, right? These three segments, length of these three segments are equal. If I draw a circle keeping O as the center of this circle, you can fairly say that this circle will pass through these 3 points C, P, and B. Why? Because OC, OP, and OB, these are the radius of this circle, correct? I can draw a circle with O as center passing through these 3 points C, P, and B, right? Let me just draw the circle. So I've drawn this circle where O is the center of this circle, right? And OC, because C is a point on circumference, that OC is a radius, right? OP, P is also a point on circumference, so this OP will also be a radius. Also, point B lies on the circumference, so this OB is also a radius, correct? And we know a very important property that triangle in a semicircle subtend angle of what? 90 degree at the circumference, correct? So this BPC, triangle BPC, because this BPC is constructed taking BC diameter of this circle as it's one of the side, correct? So this triangle BPC would be a right angle triangle, and this angle BPC would be a 90 degree angle, correct? So correct answer would be option A, right? We don't have to use any property, just a single observation that from this point I can draw 3 radius, right? 2 are given, but to arrive at this point we have to know the properties of isosceles triangle, correct? That this when I join the vertex and this midpoint, this is a perpendicular bisector, correct? Then this is the smartest approach to solve this question. that let's just make a circle with O as the center. Correct answer is option A.